Guys, recently I stumbled upon an amazing airdrop, and most of you will call it the Smoozy. Okay, now I'm pleased to inform you that these guys are live and now you can earn some tokens from them. Now, guys, for those of you who I would say Hamster Combat passed you by, Tap Swap passed you by, Dogs passed you by, and then Pi is also passing you by. I need to know that the Smoozy shouldn't. As you can see clearly, most of these options on the Smoozy tokens, it's still coming soon. This simply means massive developments are going on this amazing airdrop, and I need to note that this token is gonna make waves on the internet, and you need to start early as much as you can. Everything on this side, the tokens are given to you for absolutely free, just for taking part on some of their tasks. Okay, if you take part in any of these tasks, you're gonna accumulate some tokens, in which case it's gonna be paid to your account. And this token, as of this time I'm making this video, is not worth any amount in terms of dollar yet, but as you know how this game works, in future everything may be launched and then suddenly some amount of dollar may be attributed to a single SMZ token. Okay, now they have made it clear on their website, okay, what you do in order to earn their tokens. Now I explained to you before that many crypto airdrops came up, many crypto tokens came up with different ideas of how you can claim these tokens. Okay, for those of you who don't know, some like the dog was about how old your Telegram channel is or your Telegram account is. Then you're gonna get the tokens, and then you can also get tokens by doing other activities on their on their handles. Okay, now Hamster Combat came and it was all about tapping on your screen. So if you tap on your screen, you're gonna get some coins. Tap swap, it's almost the same thing. And then the Pi coin also came with different ideas of how to claim the coin, and you have to tap on your screen every after 24 hours. Okay, you all know these things. Now this Smoozy is coming with a completely different idea. What they are all about is making videos about Smoozy and using hashtags. Guys, if you make a video about the Smoozy and put hashtags, you're gonna get some tokens from them. Okay, they've made it clear on their website. Okay, they've made it clear on their website what you have to do in order to claim coins. All right, according to them, it's Smoozy reward explained, wondering how much SMZ token you can earn. Here is what we are giving out: 500 plus views or 100 plus likes equal to 500 minus 800 SMZ. This simply means you are getting around 500 to over 800 SMZ depending on what activities or what engagements you have. Now they say more engagements equal to 1,000 to over 5,000 SMZ, and viral content is up to 10,000 SMZ. This simply means, guys, if you make this content viral for me, I'm gonna get even up to 10,000 SMZ. Okay, and clearly believe strongly, you all support me on this channel and you might want me to get this amount. Okay, so you can share this content and let's see how much we can get. And of course, whatever these guys give me, you and I know I'll transparently show you the amount, and I'm gonna share also with you guys. Okay, now I need to do the exact same thing. Okay, you can go over to TikTok, go over to other social media handles, like Twitter, all these other social media handles, and then make some videos. The more likes you get, the more money you make. Okay, I think this is a little cool because TikTok is just one of the social media handles that are coming up that have not been there for a long time, and people are going crazy about TikTok, and getting views there is obvious, and of course earning the SMZ token is also obvious. Okay, if you have any question as far as this token is concerned, let me know in the comments. And also on our Telegram channel, we've shared a whole lot of information about this SMZ token, why this may not be acceptable on YouTube. Okay, so go over there and join our channel. You can go over on our about page of this channel and then join our Telegram channel, and then you can get all information about this SMZ token, so that you can say, hey, why the sun shines. Okay, guys, this, as I told you before, don't let this pass you by. A whole lot pass you by. This shouldn't. Okay.